What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just how easy it is to install Roman blinds. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so the upside about installing Roman blinds is this is probably one of the easiest blinds out there to install. I'm just going to quickly show you guys the brackets, how they clip on and how to remove them. That's probably the most difficult part about this whole process, and then I'll show you guys just how quickly we can get these ones here installed. So this here is the bracket that we're going to be using to install our Roman blinds. Now this same bracket will be used for a reveal fix or a face fix. So if we have a look at our window sill here, sitting underneath on the reveal right there, let's get it the right way, that there is going to be a reveal fix. So we're going to use that single screw right in the middle there, put a screw straight in the top, and that's going to sit in place like that. Now if we're using this one here for a face fix, you simply want to push it up onto the face, and we're not going to be using the same screw over here. We're going to be using the one with multiple screw locations on the back, and that'll sit up just like that. Now I'll show you guys how this one here clips into the actual track. So this here is the track. You can see we've got a Velcro face on the front, so just make sure you've got it sitting the right way. Now if we have a look at our bracket once more, you'll see there's a little tooth on the back here, or a little groove that sits under the back lip here on the track. So the only reason why I need to keep that in mind is just so that you know which way you're going to be installing this. It's spring loaded on the front, that's how it's going to clip on and also release. So in order to install it, you want to get the front side on first, and then those back hooks there are going to clip in and lock in behind the back side of the track. So if we put a little bit of pressure on the front side in first, a little bit of pressure on the back, that's now clipped in and that's ready to go. To release it, you simply push it in again, lift up, and that's now removed. So just in case you put it on and you want to change position or you want to remove it once again so that you don't break the clips, that's how to install and remove these little brackets here. So we can now take our first clip, line that one there up, probably about 100 mil off the edge, drop that screw there in, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to evenly spread out the remaining clips in the middle here. So now we can take our Roman blind and we're going to install it the same way that I just showed you guys. So just make sure you hold it all into place. Put a little bit of pressure on the face. Push it in and then wait for that to clip. Sometimes there's a loud clip, other times you'll just feel it pop into place. So now we've got the blind installed, I'm going to quickly wind this one here up. Now the first time you install these, you want to line them up in the exact position where you'd like your folds to be. Let them sit in that position for about 24 to 48 hours. Then you'll have perfect folds every single time. Now we've got our chain here on the side. We just need to make sure that we put our safety clip also secured. So just a quick tip, when you're installing these safety devices, you don't want to have too much tension on the chain. That'll tend to break and it'll make it a lot tougher to wind up and down. So get it so it's nice and snug. Back it off just a little bit. Then you can install your screw. And once that's done, guys, we've now got our Roman blinds installed. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You've learned something new. As always, guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.